It looks like a smiling toy, but it's one of the most powerful animals on Earth. This is the axolotl, and it can do something no human ever could. It loses a limb, it grows back perfectly. Bone, muscle, nerves, even blood vessels, fully restored. No scars, no damage left behind. But that's just the beginning, because the axolotl doesn't just regenerate arms or legs. It can rebuild its heart, its spinal cord, even parts of its brain, completely. Scientists have studied it for decades and still don't fully understand how it does it, because this animal breaks the rules of biology. The axolotl lives in one of the most unusual places on Earth, the canals of Xochimilco in Mexico. Shallow, murky waters filled with plants and debris. It doesn't roam oceans or vast lakes. It stays hidden, walking along the bottom, slowly moving through its environment. Yes, walking, not swimming like most aquatic animals. Its tiny limbs push it forward, almost like it's crawling underwater. And those strange feathery structures on the sides of its head, those are its gills, constantly waving, pulling oxygen from the water, giving it that almost alien appearance, like something that doesn't belong here at all. Now, here's where things get unbelievable. When an axolotl loses a limb, it doesn't panic. It doesn't bleed out. Instead, its body starts rebuilding. Cells at the injury site transform, then becoming something like stem cells, resetting themselves, then organizing perfectly, rebuilding the missing limb from the inside out. It doesn't just grow a replacement. It creates the original, exactly as it was before. Every bone, every nerve connection, and every detail, and within weeks, it's like nothing ever happened. Imagine losing your arm and watching it grow back. That's normal for this animal, but the real mystery goes deeper. Axolotls can regenerate parts of their brain. Let that sink in. Brain tissue restored, functional, working exactly as before. In humans, brain damage is often permanent, but in axolotls, it's repairable. Scientists believe that this could one day change medicine forever. Imagine curing paralysis, reversing brain injuries, regrowing damaged organs, all inspired by this one small creature. But there's a problem. We still don't fully understand how it works, because the axolotl's biology is unlike almost anything else. And here's something most people don't realize. The axolotls you see online, bright pink, almost glowing, those are not its natural form. In the wild, they're dark, brown or black, blending in the muddy water, staying hidden from predators, because despite their abilities, they're not invincible. Fish, birds, and other animals can still hunt them. Their survival depends on staying unseen, moving slowly, avoiding attention, because even something that can regenerate can still be eaten. But maybe the strangest thing about the axolotl, it never grows up. Most amphibians go through metamorphosis, like frogs or salamanders. They start in water, then move onto land. But the axolotl doesn't. It stays in its juvenile form forever, keeping its gills, staying aquatic, even as it becomes fully mature. This is called neoteny, and it means the axolotl is essentially a permanent teenager, capable of reproduction without ever becoming an adult in the traditional sense. It breaks yet another rule of nature. But despite everything it can do, the axolotl is in danger. In the wild, it's critically endangered. Its home in Xochimilco has been shrinking. Pollution, urban expansion, invasive species, all pushing it closer to extinction. It's a strange reality. One of the most biologically powerful animals on Earth is struggling to survive. Scientists are working to protect it. Breeding programs, habitat restoration, research. But time is running out. So think about this. An animal that can regrow its brain, repair its heart, rebuild its entire body, and defy the limits of aging exists right now. Not in some distant ocean, not in a hidden jungle, but in a small network of canals fighting to survive. The axolotl shouldn't exist, but it does. And it might hold the key to changing the future of medicine if it doesn't disappear first. Subscribe for more wild animals you won't believe exist.